Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share the video. Guys, view as who is Asbinam Saluka's baby mama, who has been a beggar selling for a lot of years, has proved us wrong that she is capable of leaving the serial cheetah Umpumelelo, guys. Umpumelelo Mseleku, who she has two kids with, after she dumped him and ridiculed in front of the whole of social media in South Africa, you guys, when she got traditionally married to her long time boyfriend Uxolani, you guys, over the weekend, and cementing that she is really over Spendim Select, you guys. So those that I've inserted are some of the videos that you guys posted on our social media. Please do engage with me in the comments section, and of course don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share the video, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do make sure that you do so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on next one. Bye.